I can easily pull up Google Maps. But here's where things get really cool. I can unfold it and instantly see the map on the big screen.
That is amazing. As you can see, the same map that Josh was just looking at on the front display is already inside, waiting for him. Everything's just like he left it. That is the power of app continuity. And now he can see so much more. The street names, the restaurants, all in greater detail. Okay, so how about we check out another app on the big screen? How about Netflix?
Sure, I'm a huge fan of Netflix. I usually watch it on my tablet, but now I can watch it right on the phone.
Wow, that is a gorgeous display. And you never know when you might need to Google something. Oh, there you have it.